Now we will study about the Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions. So in the acylation reaction, in joint reaction, we will react a benzene ring with acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride can be also called as acyl halide or acid halide or anhydride. And the molecular formula is this, in which the carbonyl functional group is attached to a chlorine, to a halide group, and to the other side it is attached to an R group. This is called as acetyl chloride, acyl halide, acid halide, or anhydride. And from this reagent we will abstract an electrophile, this acyl functional group, and this will in turn react in a catalyst which is acting as a Lewis acid, aluminum trichloride, and will give you acetophenone, and hydrogen chloride and aluminum trichloride is released. Acetophenone is the common name for this product, and methyl phenyl ketone is IUPAC name for this product. Like we have a methyl to one side of the carbonyl functional group, and to the other side we have a phenyl, so it's named as methyl phenyl ketone. In the mechanistic pathways, we have a three steps. It is a three-step mechanism. First is the formation of an electrophile. Second is the attack of an electrophile. And third is the abstraction or removal of the proton or a hydrogen from the benzene ring. Okay, the step number one is the formation of an electrophile. So you will take acetyl chloride and you will react with a Lewis acid, a catalyst, aluminum trichloride. So in this, the chlorine is more electronegative, so a shared electron will be attracted towards the chlorine, and chlorine will release out as a chloride ion. This chloride ion will react with aluminum trichloride and will make a coordinate covalent bond, giving us aluminum tetrachloride with negative charge. And this species acyl group is left behind as a positive charge on the carbon, and a carbocation is produced. This carbocation is an electrophile. It is an electron lover in nature. Now in step number two, the electrophile will attack on the benzene ring, but before the attack there is going to be a cleaved in one of the pi bond of the benzene. There is a heterolytic fission, and as a result a negative charge is created on one carbon, and a positive charge is created on the another carbon. So the positive carbon of the electrophile that will attack on the negative carbon, that will give you this sigma complex molecule. Now we have a three resonating structure for the sigma complex. In first, you can see a positive charge is created on this carbon to satisfy the tetravalency of this carbon. Girls, keep this thing in mind, okay? With each corner, with each carbon we have a hydrogen, but I have not mentioned them over here. So to this carbon we have attached to one carbon, and in turn it's attached to another carbon, and there is a hydrogen as well. So to satisfy the tetravalency of this carbon, the pi bond will shift over here. In second, now when bonds are shifted over here, so a positive charge is created now on this carbon. Now to satisfy this carbon, the pi bond will shift over here, and as a result a positive charge is created on this carbon. Now these are the three possible resonating structures. In step number three, there is a proton removal or a hydrogen abstraction from the benzene ring. So you know, okay, a positive, you will take any of the resonating hybrid structure. So I have taken this one, and you can see okay, we have a positive charge on this carbon. To satisfy the tetravalency, the bonded electrons between carbon and hydrogen, they will shift over here, making a pi bonds, and this acyl functional group will get attached to the benzene ring, and hydrogen will release out as a H positive. This hydrogen positive will attract the chlorine, which is attached to aluminum trichloride, and as a result HCl, hydrogen chloride, is formed, and the catalyst is regenerated once again in the form of aluminum trichloride. Okay guys, this is just for your information. Aluminum trichloride is used as a catalyst. You know, okay, this electron deficient, because in the central aluminum we have a total 6 electron, and still it needs 2 more electron to complete its octet. So it's acting as a Lewis acid, as an electrophile, as a carbocation.